Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your crypto on crypto.com. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Now, first, open up your app. Then you will see at the bottom the trade button at the middle. So click on that and you will have here some options, basically two options. One is sell and one is buy. So we want to sell today, so click on sell. Now scroll down, find your coin which you want to sell. Then select here the amount you want to do. And also here at the bottom, select the where you want to sell that. So if you want to sell into Euro account, into your crypto.com Visa card, or you can then have some options to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Kronos, Solana, USD coin. And when you set this, you can review order. And with that, you just need to confirm and you are ready to do the sell coin in the crypto.com. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.